I'm going to go into the export section. The first report I'm going to create is going to be a PDF. First of all, I can change the layout of my PDF. I tap on the settings icon and there you'll see a lot of options. Okay, I'm not going to dive into each one of them. They're pretty straightforward. You can include your scale. You can choose the way you display dimensions on your floor plan. You can choose the way you display dimensions on your room plans, etc., etc. You can have your own disclaimer, title block. Also, if you go in the account section, contact information, you can choose to include a logo, to include your name, your phone number, your picture, etc. Once you're happy with the layout, you just tap on the icon and magicplan is generating the PDF report. It will be available to you in 3 different ways. First of all, it will be sent to you via email. Second of all, it will be available on the cloud, and I'll talk about the cloud in a few minutes. And last, it's going to be available in the app. I tap on the PDF icon. As you can see, the floor plan includes your logo. So my logo is a little bit bizarre, but it's a logo. You have, in my case, the floors plus all the room details with all the photos that you've created, okay, including the 360 panoramas. You see, in this room, I think I have a 360 panorama. You see that, etc. Let's see the room we created together. Okay, that's the room we made together. You find all your objects, all your photos. You see the photo we have added to the door with the notes, the object we created with the attributes we created. Everything is included in the floor plan in context. Let me show you other reports you can create. I can create a statistical report. And again, the statistical report will include the total square footage of the walls with or without the openings, the perimeter of the room, etc., etc. It is available to you as a PDF or as a CSV file that you can open in Excel, and then you can do computations. Another type of report you can generate would be images. So you can select JPEG, PNG, SVGs. These are images formats. The DXF is a little bit different. The DXF is a file format that allows you to import your floor plan into a CAD software, such as AutoCAD or SketchUp. Another thing you can do in the export section is you can share your plan with a friend. You just tap share, you enter the email, and your friend will receive the floor plan and will be able to play with it. And typically, I know this is a function that real estate agents like using, because once they have the floor plan, they can share the floor plan with their customer. And you know, as a customer, I am able to simulate, for example, furnishing. And I can give the iPad to my son and he's going to furnish his bedroom. And it's a way to get the customer committed, you know. Another thing is the publish on the web. The publish on the web is where you're going to create your virtual tour. And I'm going to show you. You just activate the publish on the web and the virtual tour will be created.